Support Indian Learning Quiz channel by sharing and subscribing. Which of the following pairs are correctly matched? 1. Narmada Jabalpur. 2. Godavari Nasik. 3. Mahanadi Cuttack. Answer 1, 2, and 3. The average time interval between successive high tide and low tide is. Answer 24 hours and 52 minutes. Forest policy of government aims to bring what percentage of total area under forest? Answer 33 percentage. Sriharikota is situated in which state? Answer Andhra Pradesh. Which of the following is a landlocked sea? Answer Aral Sea. The Indian research station Himadri is located at. Answer Arctic region. The Keibul Lamjao, the only floating national park in the world, is in. Answer Manipur. 1. Cherrapunji is located on the south side of Garo Hills. 2. Cherrapunji is about 1700 meter above mean sea level. Which of the statements given above is or correct? Answer both 1 and 2. Near the lake Mansarovar in Tibet, the river which has its source is or. Answer all of these. Which of the following is the longest river in India? Answer Ganga. Mettur Dam is built on the river. Answer Kaveri. The outermost layer of sun is called. Answer Corona. In which of the following union territories people of the Onge tribe live? Answer Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Depth of the sea is measured in. Answer fathom. Which of the following is the best conductor of electricity? Answer saline water. The planet with the shortest year is. Answer Mercury. The tide at its maximum height is known as. Spring tide. For what is the Manas sanctuary in Assam known for? Answer elephants. The Himalayan rivers are. Answer snow-fed. The imaginary line of the Earth's surface that closely follows the 180-degree meridian is answer. International Dateline. Dash was the ex-officio chairman of Planning Commission and National Development Council. Answer. Prime Minister. The river basin, which is called Ruhr of India, is answer. Damodar. Lack of atmosphere around the moon is due to answer. Low escape velocity of air molecule and low gravitational attraction. The tide produced in an ocean when the pull on the earth by sun and the moon is unidirectional is called answer. Spring tide. Which is correct? 1. The President shall not be a member of either houses of the Parliament. 2. The Parliament shall consist of the President and two houses. Answer. Both 1 and 2. Obsidian, Andesite, Gabbro and Perodite are answer. Extrusive rocks. 82.5 degree E longitude is geographically significant to India because answer. It determines the Indian Standard Time. Troposphere is the hottest part of atmosphere because answer. It is heated by the Earth's surface. What is cloudburst? Answer. It refers to the sudden and copious rainfall over a small area which often lasts for only a few minutes. Mana Pass is located in answer. Uttarakhand. Dash forms the western boundary of Indian subcontinent. Answer. Hindu Kush. Which of the following river does not originate in India? Answer. Brahmaputra. The state in South India with a thermal station at Tuticorin is answer. Tamil Nadu. Kanyakumari is situated in which state? Answer. Tamil Nadu. Diu is an island of which state? Answer. Gujarat. Dash Harbour is protected by a rocky headland called Dolphin's Nose. Answer. Visakhapatnam. East-west corridor comprising national highways connects answer. Silchar to Potbandar. The southern tip of India is at Indira Point in Nicobar Islands. India is the largest producer and is found in the black sand on the beaches near Cape Comorin, the southern part of India. Answer. Kyanite. The soil formed by wind burst in and around hot deserts is called. Answer. Sandy soil. The largest island in the Indian Ocean is. Answer. Madagascar. Which of the following rivers is known as Vridha Ganga? Answer. Godavari. Which of the following river flows through Maharashtra and Gujarat? Answer. Tapti. Mention your score in comment box. Thank you for watching.